Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I can feel some excitement. My friends call me, message me, everybody, preparing for a big party. Yeah, guys, it's not deal done, okay? Until we don't. Okay, so first of all, let me click on this trend line here. I'm just going to extend it, unfortunately. And until we don't break this trend, I mean, yeah, it's nice that we go higher, but that's about what it is, and until we don't start to make higher high of previous peaks, and we have so many peaks, my dear friends. We have one here, we have another here, and we have another here. So I mean, if we start to get here, maybe okay, I'm going to start to get excited because it means we are very near from making a new higher high. But for a moment, we are not really there, unfortunately. Now this could be very easily that it looks like we're kind of doing something on the side, and this is why yesterday or the last 2 days it gave a chance to the altcoins to kind of catch up a little bit and have some action. But let's zoom in a little bit. Unfortunately, we really, for the moment, I can only see an a B, and a C for the moment. I cannot see a 1, 2, 3. I mean, that would be great. If we can make a 3 even higher, and then a 4, and then a 5, then we can have 5 waves. Then it starts to be more exciting. Yes, we're going to have a bigger pullback, but then that's going to be the one of a nice entry point that market could give us before the skyrocketing price. Okay, so for the moment it's good. As you can see, I do count this as a wave A and this a wave B, and you can see that we are there, right? It's bent on this 0.786 fib extension, and ideally we will go to the 1-to-1 ratio, so 66,191. We can go a little bit higher. So if we do reach the 1-to-1 ratio, I'm going to add more fib levels, but for the moment I think we're good. Also, we are struggling, or fighting with the MA 200, which is amazing. I think I can take out this one. Okay, cleaner chart. And yeah, so it's looking good. It's looking good. Now let's go on it quickly. Also, don't want to make a long video anyway. It's not there isn't much to say, right? We have a potential wave 1 here, a wave 2, and now, or this is just an A and a B, and then we would have 5 wave up, right? So this is I know I tend to not put those A, B, C, but honestly, it is what it is. Okay, so they're there. Some of my friend they complain that you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then and then you say I did tell you, this was an A, and then but it's not there. Okay, fine. So now it's here, and actually I'm going to label it in red, so you cannot say I didn't put it. It's there, and actually maybe change the maybe put in mine it. All right, so A, B, and C. Unfortunately, even though it's kind of questionable still because we almost did a lower low. I mean, it's and a 1-to-1 ratio. It's going to be pretty much about the same level of the wave A, because let me check here if I can be the more accurate I can. Oops. So you see, it would be 2,824. Let me put it in red. I'm going to leave it here so it doesn't become too messy. And this is why it's because the B wave was so low. Okay, so now can we go higher? Yes, we can. It would be amazing if we can go and challenge the MA 200, but you can see now the difference with Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Ethereum is struggling to stay just on top of the MA 50 almost, Bitcoin is already higher and challenging the MA 200. So eventually Ethereum will have to compensate and really work harder and make it happen. Otherwise, it's not going to look good for Ethereum if we keep doing like that, because it could end up to make a new wave to low, right? And we were already at the brinks of, because it cannot really afford to go much lower than the 0.618. But let's remember, if I recall well, this is supposed to be a wave 4. See, we have a wave 3 and this is a 4. So let's see how it goes. All right, so this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you guys for today for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just want to check the RSI, okay? So you can see, I mean, this should be quite enough. Now, it would be amazing if we could see maybe a sign movement to reset a little bit this RSI's long term. I think daily should be, yeah, daily still have something that it could go for, but ideally we would wait maybe for the stock RSI to reset, maybe continue go a little bit on the side, maybe go a little bit lower, but no, just a little bit, not crazy low, and then yeah. So I'm really looking forward for the price to go a little bit lower, reach the 0.382, which is going to also help with the MA 50, give a chance to the RSIs to reset. So 2,524 wouldn't be a bad level, and then after that we could go higher. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.